In this question, you have to match the endocrine glands given in list 1 with the diseases that is caused by their hormonal imbalances given in list 2. Now, diabetes insipidus is caused by deficiency in the production or secretion of antidiuretic hormone, that is ADH, or vasopressin, which is synthesized in the hypothalamus and secreted from the posterior pituitary. And this hormone helps in regulating water balance by promoting water resorption in the kidneys. So, in diabetes insipidus, the kidneys are unable to conserve water properly. Thus, A matches with 3. Now, Graves' disease results from hypersecretion of thyroid hormones, triiodothyronine, that is T3, and tetraiodothyronine, that is T4. Thus, B matches with 1. Now, Addison's disease occurs due to the hyposecretion of hormones from the adrenal cortex, particularly the glucocorticoids such as the cortisol and mineralocorticoids such as aldosterone. Thus, C matches with 4. And diabetes mellitus is characterized by high blood sugar level due to either insufficient, that is hyposecretion of insulin, or resistance to insulin action. And in type 1 diabetes, there is hyposecretion of insulin from the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans of the pancreas. So it leads to inadequate regulation of blood sugar glucose levels. Thus, D matches with 2. Hence, the correct answer is option A.